Got a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a gorgeous 1975 Trans Am. 455 big block. It does have aluminum heads on it now. Upgraded aluminum intake. Super nice car. We have the cast aluminum Pontiac valve covers that be coming. Car disc brakes, power steering, factory air. So, power windows. Just a nice car. Nice paint. Everybody loves the Buccaneer Red. 4-speed to boot. Nice car. Original Enduro bumper. Little bit right there. Little bit right there, but it's nice. Nice paint. Just got it in, so we'll service it, change the oil, all the fluids, go through it. But a beautiful car. Very strong running. Package tray's good. Little crack on a trim piece on the inside, probably from the sun. Nice. Dash is nice. Honeycomb wheels. That's just a little bit of road grime. There's a couple tiny chips there. Interior's nice. On the car. Factory air conditioned car, or 8-track player, air conditioned car. A little bit there on the dash, but nice. A little bit right there, but kind of typical on these with the original Enduro bumpers. Still showing well, like I said, paint's nice, good body lines. You'll find all these pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. Again, that's www.westportautocenter.com. If you'd like to come in and check this out in person, fly into St. Louis International or Lambert International, one the same. They are the same international airport. More than happy to pick you up, forward us your itinerary, take you to one of our 3 warehouses. We'll put it up on a lift, make sure it's a good fit, take it for a drive. Please like and share the video. Subscribe to the channel. Help us to get it to grow. Take this for a spin. It is cold today. www.westportautocenter.com. You want to pick up the phone and talk to somebody in person, my name is Mark. Be more than happy to answer any of your questions. But the paint is nice. Every car we get, we go over them, we do a paint correction. So it's standing tall now to be even nicer. But power disc brakes, the power steering, power windows, factory air, 4-speed, 455 big block, gotta love it. Way more than it ever would have in 1976. Nice upgrades. Little bigger carburetor, aluminum intake, aluminum heads. Again, www.westportautocenter.com. Pick up the phone, 314-346-6039. Please like and share the video, subscribe to the channel, help us grow. Thanks for watching.